a paid search is where you will get and gaining the right information from the customers. As we move along, and then the process of analytics, what do I do with that information? The moment you went to those processes of getting that information, when you went to your Facebook, when you get it to your social media, you'll check what do I do with that information as an entrepreneur. You'll be using your insight, the information on marketing trends. Identify the latest market trend insight, user experience, understand your customer path to purchase and make changes accordingly. And then content marketing, identify what type of content people engage with most and adapt your strategy. Use this insight to adapt your overall strategies. I hope all is well. And then I'll be passing for questions. If there is any question, please if there is any question, please write it on your chat box right now. If there is no any question, please write on your chat box right now. I see on our chat box there is no questions. As I'll be moving on, identify the best tool to use when you are finding that information from the customers. Which analytic tool do you currently use? Is one of the questions that I will ask on the chat box. What kind of tools do you use on the as you gather some information from the customers? The tools that we can use are social medias. Social medias is when what kind of followers do you have on Twitter, Facebook, and an organic search, which is Google search and Google My Business. Sorry, those are the kind of tools that we can use. And then your website as a person, you need to have the website is where you can able to gather some information about your customers. And the paid search is one of those websites where they will assist you to gather some information from the internet. What kind of tools you will be using? The paid search, the Google ads, they will market your business for you and give you analyze the stats after. As we move along, I'll be discussing that one with you. The Facebook inside, you find out that people are engaging on your Facebook and how they are finding you. So Facebook is one of those social media that you can use, and people, they may find you on your followers, and they can able to follow you and then able to buy the product that you are selling. The product that you are selling. So another tool that we will use, it is a Google Search Console. Google Search Console, you'll find out valuable information about your website and its visit from Google organic search results. So on when you go to your website, and then you can able to check what kind of people or customers have followed you, and then information that you will use, as a entrepreneur. And Google My Business, manage your online presence across Google Search and Google Map. So Google My Business is one of those tools that you can use to find information, the data of the customers. They will able to help you to what kind of customers you already has. Uh, the Google Console is a tool where it will help you to report the measure of the site with traffic performance, fix issues, and make your website perform well in Google results. And then again, it will help you to see the queries that brings user on your site, and analyze your site expression, the position of your site. And then after that, the submit site map individual, by using the URL, you renew the index coverage of the freshness, and then you can able to receive the email alert while you are using your Google My Business. They will the big Google My Business and Google Console. Those will help your website to get the information from the customers. And Google Trend, it only identifies the actually what customers are searching most online. What is it that is on trend? What is on trend right now? So it is where you can able to find your Google Trend, and it will show you whether you are in the right path as the customer. Are you in the right path as the customer? So arise above the competition Google Trend. Find relevant trend topics. This is when you are using your Google Trend. You find the relevant topic. The Google Trend help you to find the relevant topics, what is on trend right now, and it will help you to monitor your competitors. As you are using the Google Trend, it will help you to monitor your competitors. Keyword search, most it depends on the season that you are in, what kind of search are people looking for. If it's on winter, people, they'll be looking for certain material of a jersey or a trouser, and then it will help you to those keywords that customers they are looking for. Whether you are selling or on that, it will help you on that one. It promotes around seasonal trend. As I mentioned that one, it helps you to mention the trend of your business. What is it on this season that most of customers they are looking for? And find topic by region. So where you are located, for example, if you are using the what do you call them, business that you can courier to other countries, what other countries, what is it that they are looking for? How is their marketing on that trend that you are in? Google Analytics, understand what customer do on your website. So this is one of the tools that help as a business person, it analyzes, you understand what kind of customers when you go to your website, when people they are on your website, what kind of information they are looking for on your website, or what kind of product they are looking on your website. I'll pause now for questions. If there is any question that you would like to ask, please use our chat box to ask those questions. Let's use our chat box to ask those questions. I can see there is no question right now. Let's move along. Understand and analyze your data. Understand and analyze your information as an entrepreneur. I would like to apologize on my side. I don't know what happened. We got technical issues where our slides started on 16. I think we had audio problem on my side. We apologize for that, for technicality. So as we move along, understand and analyze your data. Google Analytic Dashboard. So when you have the Google account as an entrepreneur, you will get the feature of analytics dashboard. It is where it will show you on your sales, whether you are doing good or whether you are doing bad, and then your reviews and all your questions that are answered, are questioned by your customers, and then what is it that is on trend, that is selling more, so you can able to improve on your business. And then we got Google Analytic account. So we'll go through on how you set up your Google Analytic account. So you go to on your URL, you go to analytic.google.com and choose the name of your account, because you need to have a Google account, and choose the category of your account. So where do you find the tracking code? On your while you have your Google account, you will get your tracking code, which is more of your business code. It will track your site performance. So the moment you click on when you log in on your account, it will show you the performance of your business and what is it that you need to check on, and you correct the tracking code of this page. So all the performances of your website and your account, it will all give you the analyze. It will analyze it for you on that. Where to find the tracking code? On your Google account, on your Google business account, you'll go to your settings, and then you go to Google Analytics, and then is where you will find your tracking code. And then it says when you are using the website builder or blog, there'll be a simple field where you can add the tracking ID of your website. So it's just the tracking code where you need to track your performance of your business, your website, on what kind of customers are engaging on that, or how many customers what are they looking for, what kind of customer am I having as an entrepreneur. If there's any question on others, the other slides that I went through and they don't understand, please let's use our chat box to ask those questions or comment. Understand the main areas of reporting. So when you have your website and then you logged on your Google Analytics, you will find the four features, which is the audience, the acquisitions, the behavior, and the conversation, is where it will give you the performance of your website, where it said who are they, what kind of trade, what do you call the trade market am I having, what kind of audience am I having, and then how did they find me. It will track that too for you, whether they find you on social media, organic or paid ad, and then what are they doing. So immediately when they are on your website, what is it that they're doing? Are they checking the product that you are selling, or they're checking the reviews that you had on your previous previous customers or comments? What are they worth? Are they worth to me? So you may find that there's some people that will just go to a website to check the services and compare with other competitors. Are those people actually worth it for me for as a business person? Data in Google Analytics, the dimension, the what, and the matrix of what, and then the matrix of the numbers. It is where it will check the data, the numbers of how many people have actually visited your website, how many people, or based on the month and the days of the time that you are trading. Using the RAIN, the one that we talked about, to ask the right question and know what to do with the information. To reach, how are people finding me online? Identify which search terms are driving organic traffic and develop relationship with the referral website. To reach is where you will reach, people will reach you, and then on your market, if you are on Facebook, you are using the Facebook market, and then how do they, what is driving them to come to your business, or to engage and want to find more about your business. Engage, what are people engaging with when they find me online? You learn which page are not getting any reviews, and discover what is really engaging your visitors. So you engage with those your customers, and you check what kind of customer are they even actually engaging on my website. Activate, which channel is driving the most booking. So identify the referral site drive conversation. So as a business person, you always need to be on on uh, uh, on online, so that you can able to engage with your customers and activate all what you are looking for. Look out for underperforming referral site and consider reviewing the partnership. So as you activate the channel that drives the most booking, as you are doing, you need to check which one of your what do you call, the customers, that they are more active, and which one they are not most active, or maybe they were active before. And then the referral side of you and your partners, and nurture the customer to leave or to leave a review. Try different way to encourage purchasers to have review what works best. So actually the reviews are blessing as a person, as an entrepreneur. You need to, when the moment customers they start to review your business, you know where you can able to engage with them, and then you know where to you know where to fix your business, and then you know which ones are selling, which one are not selling, and it's where you can able to engage with more of your business. Google Trend, explore what world is searching. We all have trends all over the world, and the trends goes with seasonal. Each and every season has its own trend. So as you are using you have your Google business, you'll be using the trend. Promote your business and around seasonal trend. So it means, as I said, seasonal trend allow your business to stay relevant and competitive. So it depends on the season that we are in. So if you are in summer, and then the Google Trend account will able to help you what kind of keywords the customers are actually punching on your website, or they're looking at on organic websites. Throughout the year, your business will experience big and deep that will impact your revenue. Use trend to identify seasonal product demand. So because the trend is all over the world, as you are you are selling your product, you'll be the trend will assist you to check which kind of products are in demand, and then those products you can able to buy or to order for your customers. And then it even adjusts your offering according to supply and demands. So it will all the customers what they are looking for. It will help you to so that you can able to know what kind of products should I order, and it creates content on current trend. We all know that people now, actually the youngsters, they go with trend. So what is on trend, it is what is selling. So every time when you have a business, must always on trend, par with the what is on trend now. Use Google Trend for keywords research. So Google Trend show what searches and keywords are trending. Use the related query selector. So as I mentioned before, that the trend will even help you to help you the keywords that people there most of customers with the product that you are selling, what kind of keywords they are using. Identify the potential key text as a customer, and name your product category according to your keywords. So when you have this the Google Trend account, you're able to because the moment you open that account, your business will be categorized according to your products. So the moment when they are selling, or when you are that when you are selling, you know what kind of product of business am I, and then what kind of keywords will appear on the product that you are selling. Optimize your posts according to trending keywords. So those ones are the you need, as you have the Google trend. There's some words you need to put there so that you can able to you can able to identify what the customers they are looking for. I'll pause for questions. If there is any question on our chat box, please feel free to answer those or comment on our chat box. As we move along, please use our chat box to communicate with us. What are your next step as an entrepreneur? Is your next step as you are doing all your what do you call your as you are business person? So I believe that with our time that was a little bit, we didn't have any audio in the beginning. So you can able to find us on social media, and then you can leave the comments there on Facebook and on Twitter and on Instagram. You can able to find us on that. And then today we were talking about how to use your business, how to grow your business using data and insight as a customer, how you can grow that business. You can find us on Instagram, can follow there, and then there's more information. You can leave any comment that you as a about the today's session, and what you've learned today. Let's use our what do you call our chat box, and let's communicate on that. What are your next step as a what do you call as a business person? And then you can use this link to check off more of Google courses. The learn digital dot with google.com slash digital skills slash courses. You can use there how, and then it will show you as tech how to grow with Google. There's more as an entrepreneur that you can use how to grow with business. So let's use our chat box. I know our audio started on slide 16, but some of our slides were showing. Maybe there is some of the questions that you wanted to ask of one of the slides that were showing there. As I said, you can follow us on social media, and then you can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. I'll pause for questions. If there is no question, any question? First question that I asked it was, what kind of customer are you? Or as an entrepreneur, what kind of customers do you prefer? Do you like to have those customers that are more of criticizing? What kind of reviews as a business person would you like customers to review on? Do you prefer those comments that will actually assist you to grow your business, or do you only want those comments where they will only rate you as a good person? What kind of, can maybe on the chat box you can answer that? What kind of customer are you, or what kind of customer do you prefer as a business person? What kind of kind of customer are you, or what kind of customer do you prefer as an entrepreneur? I'd like to thank each and everyone who joined our today's session. Thank you very much for joining in. Thank you for taking your time to make sure that you joined our today's session. Have a lovely evening. Thank you very much.